think of Kaylee's performance?
Kaylee, it was nice to see you this week kind of lose your inhibitions a little bit and, you know, have some movement in your body. I really enjoyed watching that side of you come to the forefront. I think throughout it was a lovely vocal, and I like the falsetto at the end. But the one thing I would say is, you know, I've said it to someone else as well today, but the theme was change it up. And for me, I feel like all you did was choose a postmodern jukebox track and sing that track. So it was kind of a pre-made changed song, if that makes sense. You didn't actually do anything to make it yours. So I would definitely work on that in the future. You know, take a song and make it Kaylee's song, not Postmodern Jukebox's song, not Celine Dion's song, but Kaylee's song. And I feel like you are capable of doing that. You have got the potential there to be able to do a lot. So I think you're capable of doing more than you showed us. But that doesn't take away from the fact that it was a lovely vocal, and like I said before, it was lovely to see you move and start to be a little bit more free physically. So well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, it was a fun track. It was nice to see you moving and having a little bit of fun with it. I think that song does show off your voice, but I think if you would sort of, I think the track, there was so much room with that track for you to change the melody up in places or add a few ad-libs, and I think if you had done that, that would have maybe showed your voice off a little bit more as well. I feel like sticking to the original sort of melody, that backing track kind of like drowned you out. So even though you sang it amazing, you've got this amazing voice, I think that potentially you could have done so much more vocally with it. So don't be afraid to see where your voice can go. Don't feel like you've got to box yourself in and sing everything as it's supposed to be sung, how everybody else sings it, because we've already heard that version. We know how that goes. What we want to see is what you can bring to a song and what your voice can do with it. So just don't shy away from that in future. Just have fun with it and see where you can go. You might actually surprise yourself. I think you will. But well done. It was a lovely effort.
Yeah, Kaylee, obviously there is positives to this performance. There is a couple of positives. Firstly, one of the things I picked up on is that you was moving a bit more. You was a bit more interactive with what you had to do. And vocally, you sang it really well. But the trouble, I think, what you might be missing, and it is something I remember mentioning to you, got to be at least a year ago now. And I remember sitting there with you in the studio, and it's about just seeing you let yourself go within a song. And we're trying to get at this with a lot of people in the competition this season. And what we're trying to get at is that when an artist becomes really comfortable with their own sound, that's when they really find who they are. And what we mean by this is that when you first come into music, sometimes it's almost like you have to sing the song like the song. And that's how you feel like it's got to be done. Now, in some cases, it is. But in this case, being a competition, we want to see you play. We want to see you explore. That's what we want to see from everyone, not just you. You know, so what I think Kelly might have been getting up with this theme in particular this week was that she wanted to see you all change it up vocally. Not necessarily the track, because it was very interesting to see you do this song. You know, so I got to applaud you for that. But what I want you to do, and I know it's a little bit of an insecurity for you, and it always has been, because you feel like when you learn a song, you have to sing it like it is. That's how you feel, and that's probably how you've been taught in certain places. But that's not always the case. You will find more of who you are as a specific sound by just letting go and just exploring what you can do. See what you can do. See if you can move things in a different place. Just try, and that's all we want to see. Just try that and let's see what happens from there. Well done.